Hello friends, this is Alpesh here from Code with JV channel. In this video, we are not going to talk about the programming stuff, but like I am going to talk about the operating system wallpaper. So in Windows 10, like you have like cool wallpapers already inbuilt, but like I don't like that inbuilt wallpaper, so I want to change few stuffs there. So basically, like if you are using Windows 10, you can see like there are cool startup screens are given with the Windows. So what I am doing is I wanted to have that startup screen as my wallpaper. So like there are like couple of ways to do that, but here in my case, like I have installed one cool app which is there uh, on Microsoft Store, which will do all these stuffs from for me. So let me show you that. So here you can see like lock screen as a wallpaper. So that is the app which I installed from Microsoft Store, and here you can set like different kind of open things where it will automatically update the wallpapers there. And here you can also save this image separately also, so if you want to save it. So how to install this, let me show you how to install this from Microsoft Store. So let's go to Microsoft Store. So from here you just need to search from here it you need to search like lock screen as wallpaper. Yes. So this is the application from Ivan which I create I installed in my computer, and I'm quite happy about that. So thank you very much for watching this video, and keep subscribing to my videos. Like I'm sure I'm going to put more contents on lots of stuff. So thanks again for watching this.